I'm back!
If he's clenched, it means he's very nervous.
Yes!
Yes, because we're about 10 feet above the ground.
Yeah.
10 lang. Kanina mga
around 40,
55.
Yeah. Well, if you're not aware,
nasa Pretel po kami.
nasa Enchanted Kingdom kami.
Enchanted Kingdom Tondo.
Kakatapos lang nung Wheel of Fate, right? And I'm still shaking. Like, really shaking. We are gonna take you on a tour. I don't know what the point of this vlog is.
We met some strangers. They're on the other... What do you call
on the other gondola. Hey!
Happy birthday!
It's Jeff's post-birthday party.
Yes.
He invited 6,000 of his closest friends. You know,
we closed down the entire... Yeah, like we're not even wearing wristbands.
Yeah. We don't need it.
We don't need it.
Because we're special.
Like the whole park is ours.
Look at the strangers we met here.
Look at those are the strangers that we met in Enchanted Kingdom, and not really good people, but we're gonna introduce you to them later. Bye!
So we're here and we met some strangers from the internet. This is Berting.
Say hi, Berting.
Hi, Berting. Laura, say hi to the camera. Hello.
And this is Robin.
Hi!
I don't know his name. Sir, ano pa pangalan nila?
Ay, kuya, kasama ka ba? Ito si Sandro. Sandro?
Guy and Pete. Guy and Pete.
Mix ako sa floor. Hi! We like the color blue!
Ito ay water Dutch. Ay, anong tawag doon? Bumper.
Hi! We are really wet. Like, look at my hair. It's wet. Kamusta yung water?
Mabaho pa sa Malabon.
Sobra.
Mas mabaho pa siya sa baha sa Malabon.
And that's coming from somebody who actually lives in Malabon.
Malabon. Magbasa na kami. Magsasabon na kami. Pula eh. Sir Pablo! May Pablo! Happy birthday, Jeff!
Thank you.
At ang dating pangalan ng Quezon City Circle ay Quezon de Bola. Ang isang gago! Hindi utong gago!